A network only works if people are paid to keep it honest. Filecoin was designed around that idea from day one. Filecoin is a decentralized storage network designed to store humanity's most important information. Why incentives matter in storage? Data needs to stay available for years, not days. Centralized providers rely on trust and contracts. Decentralized systems rely on economic pressure. Storage providers earn rewards for hosting real data. Penalties exist for failing to store or serve it. Proof systems enforce honesty at scale. Now, what makes this network different is that it's an open marketplace for storage and it's not fixed pricing. Anyone can participate as a provider, and that way competition pushes efficiency over time. Now, who is this built for? Number one, developers building data-heavy applications. Number two, institutions needing verifiable storage and users thinking in multi-year horizons, not cycles. Filecoin is designed for long-term network sustainability. It focuses on verifiable work and not promises, and it appeals to builders and infrastructure-focused users. Your data are stored reliably and securely with cryptographic proofs which guarantee your data that remain available and unchanged over time. You have proof of space-time, proof of replication, and verifiable actions. With Filecoin, you have a robust foundation for humanity's information. Even Wikipedia itself is right now applied in Filecoin's use case. And supply and demand, not corporate pricing departments, gets attraction. And Filecoin provides the missing incentive layer for IPFS. It creates a powerful and dynamic distributed cloud storage service decentralized. You have algorithmic storage market, smart contract storage, and algorithmic CDN. If you're evaluating crypto projects, look at how they pay participants to do real work. Incentives tells you more than marketing ever will. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to also like and subscribe to our channel. And leave in the comments any questions you may have and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.